Hello everyone, welcome to our English class. Today your lesson is about Unit 9 at the circus. Phonics time. Let's learn short E. Now let's pronounce the sound of short E. A. Again, short E. A. Now let's go to read the words that have short E sound. E, A, bat, bat. E, A, egg, egg. E, A, wet, wet. E, A, hen, hen. E, A, net, net. E, A, red, red. E, A, jet, jet. E, A, hen, hen. E, A, pen, pen. E, A, peg, peg. Very good everyone. Now let's go to practice 1. Does it have short E? Listen as the card check on X. Are you ready everyone? Let's go. Number 1. And. Number 2. Red, red. Number 3. Pen, pen. Number 4. Elephant, elephant. Number 5. Bee, bee. Now let's go to check the answer. Number 1. Egg. Number 2. Check. Number 3. Check. Number 4. Also check. And number 5. Egg. Very good everyone. Now let's go to practice 2. Does it have short A or short E? Listen and circle. Yeah, short A. Pronoun A. Short E. Pronoun A. Yeah, are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. Mat, mat. Number 2. Mat, mat. Number 3. Pack, pack. Number 4. Pack, pack. Number 5. Pen, pen. Number 6. Pen, pen. Now let's see the answer. Number 1. A or X? Yeah, X sound. Number 2. A. And number 3. X. Number 4. A. Number 5. A. Number 6. X. Yeah, very good everyone. That's all for you today. Thank you.